Hello, everybody. Welcome back to this one question a day. And the question that we are going to deal today is properties of saliva. Start the answer with the composition of saliva. Majority 99% is water and 1% has inorganic, organic enzymes and immunoglobulins and other substances. Inorganic has ions, electrolytes, list it out. Organic, secretory proteins, enzymes, amylase, lipase, hydrolytic enzymes, immunoglobulins, IgA, IgG, IgM, all of this. The factors affecting the composition of saliva is the source of saliva. If it is a serous acini, it is more of watery saliva and more proteins. Mucous saliva is viscous in nature and has a lot of mucins. The nature of stimuli that are evoking the secretion of saliva and the intensity of saliva. The flow rate of saliva when stimulated is large when compared to rest. When stimulated, it is more serous. When at rest, it is more mucus. The time of the day. Saliva secretion is increased during day and less during night. Serous during day and mucus during night. The whole saliva, which is secreted from all salivary gland, is about 750 to 1000 ml per day, of which 60% is from submandibular gland, 30% is from parotid gland, 5% from sublingual, 1% from minor salivary gland. The pH of whole saliva ranges from 6.4 to 7.4. The contribution of different glands, parotid, water mainly, amylase and proteins. Submandibular glycosylated substances increases the viscosity mucous areas. Sublingual, more amount of mucin increases the viscosity of the salivary gland. The flow rate, parotid is about 0.4 ml per when stimulated, about 1 to 2 ml. Submandibular 0.1 ml, 0.8 ml. Whole saliva about 0.2, 0.4, 0.2 when stimulated. The same thing remains the same. The function is widely varied. It can from protection, digestive, speech, mastication, deglutition, taste, tissue repair. For a detailed list of functions, see our video on the functions of saliva. Clinical significance, xerostomia or dry mouth due to lack of saliva could be result of infection, cyst tumors or salivary stones, which blocks the salivary secretion, a lot of things. We have an opposite condition called talism, where there is continuous production of saliva. So this is the properties of saliva. The essay question on properties of saliva, you have to combine everything into focus. Keep learning, learn incrementally at least one question a day. Happy learning.